This video I'm about to make now is an encouragement to every content creator, new YouTuber, upcoming YouTuber, that even if you don't have a video that's up to 1,000 views, that you can still earn from it. Yes, because according to the RPM, the CPM, it's only when your video gets to 1,000 views that's when you will earn from it. But I'm going to show you how you can earn, or what I earned from my video that is less than 1,000 views. In fact, less than 500 views, because as of the time I'm recording this video, the view on that video is 450. So let's go and check it. I'll be checking on my phone. So I'll pick Be Warned. Yeah, Be Warned. That's the video I'll be using. Be Warned, how to restream the right way. So I'm going to open it. Yes, so I will check it. I'm going to pin it here for for you to see it clearly. So the video performance ranking by view is 3/10 on my videos. Views is 451. The impression click through rate is 6.3%, which is very good for 14 minutes video. And then average view duration is 5:31. That means people are actually watching it. And yeah, let's go into the video. So the overview is like I say, overview views is 451. And then when I posted this video, it was a premiere, and during the premiere the concurrent viewers were 11. And how viewers found this video: channel page, YouTube recommendation is 140. And then other features, YouTube features and all that. Then audience retention is 5/30, that's 37%. And all that is still reading. The read time, the videos are still making wave. So the reach, we have impression 4.6, and impression click-through rate 6.3, views 451, unique viewers 278. So how viewers found this video? We said it earlier. And external sites, WhatsApp, that means people shared it through their WhatsApp. And Creator Studio, WhatsApp Business, yeah, those are what shared with their family. Thank you for sharing. And YouTube search terms, only my name, Chamaka, 40%. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. That shows that you guys love me so much. 40% searching of my name. And content suggesting this video on my except one. Thank you. I don't know the person, but also shared on how to use Restream. Then playlist my engagement. Yeah, when I was looking for watch hour, I wasn't saying it. I will post a video. It will stay 2 days, 1 week, 3 weeks, and I'll still be getting 2 watch hour, 3 watch hour. But this one, I'm having 41.4 watch hour. And then the audience retention 37%. And then let's go to audience. Just like I told you, the video has not reached up to 1,000 views. So the age is not showing, the no data to show for the date. And then the gender has not shown yet, but the geographical, the top geographical country that are watching it, or that are watching it, just to Nigeria and United Kingdom. The data are not yet complete. And then yeah, watch time from subscribers. Yeah, thank you. My subscribers are topping up in this one. My subscribers are 55% 0.4, and non-subscribers. Why you people not subscribing here? 44. Then let's go to the revenue. What brought us to this video? So the revenue is 3.33. Yeah, you can see I made 3.33 from this video that is not yet up to 1,000 views. And Nigeria exchange rate is up to 1,600 and something, and you can calculate it with 3.13. I think that would be up to 5,000 something. So that's like, if you stay at home and you're not doing anything, will you get this 5,000 something? So that is it. So that is the estimated revenue. How you make this video. So I got a super chat on the video and also ads. People gifted me while they were watching the video. I think I got £2 and then 1,000 naira from it, and that is 61% of the super chats that came from it. And then adverts, the ads that played on the video, people that watched the adverts, thank you. I got 38.6% came from adverts. And then the revenue, the RPM on this video is 7.12. Let me tell you, what was here was when I posted a video recently, the RPM that was there was $23. So I don't know, it kept reducing. I was like, why didn't I make it get up to that 1,000 views to get that 23 $33 from it. And yeah, so you can see what when it gets to 1,000 views, so I'll be getting 7.12 $7.12. And then the view that's getting this now is 440. Yes, the view that is getting. So how much advertisers are to pay is $4.26. So that brings us to the end of this video, and that is to tell you that even if you have not gotten up to the 1,000 view of what you are to earn from the RPM and the CPM, what advertisers have to pay, you can see earn. Either people give you super chat or you can earn from the ads. You can see 38% of it came from ads alone, and then the 50 something percent, 61% came from the super chat. Yes, so let me know if you want me to make a video on the one I got 1.4 or 5 million views on my restream live stream. So let me know if you want me to make a video on that, and I'm going to tell you how much I made from that video. Thank you all for watching, and if you've watched us up until this time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post, you will get my notification. And please don't skip the ads. You can see those that are watching the ads, you are helping me. Yeah. Thank you all. Bye.